Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to pin your chat in Microsoft Teams desktop client or desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client and connect to your account, and then just follow the simple steps. So the first thing that we will need to do now is to go to the chat panel or the chat page in Microsoft Teams. Basically, all you need to do is to search in the navigation tab here, and you are going to see all the menus that are available here, and you are going to search for the chat menu, and here you will access all the conversation that you have here in your Microsoft Teams account. So basically now we will need to pin the chat. So all you need to do is to go to the chat that you are going to pin or that you are willing to pin, and then just right click on it, or you can just click on this 3 points action and you will have the same effect. So basically I'm clicking on this group here. This is not an individual chat, this is a group chat, and I'm going to right click, and here I'm going to click on pin, and basically as you can see my chat is being pinned now. Also, you can either right click as I said, or you can click on the 3 point action and click on pin, and you will have your chats that will be pinned successfully and easily. And of course, if you want to reverse the operation and unpin the chats, you are going to do the same steps. Right click on your chat, click on unpin, and you will have your conversation that will be unpinned here in your chat list. Otherwise, you can click on the 3 point action and do the exact same thing. You click unpin and it will be unpinned. So basically this is how you can pin your chat in your Microsoft Teams desktop client or application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.